I was very impressed with the professionalism right off the bat, from the minute I was in the waiting room to the way I was handled. And I thought, this is where I need to be, and I was very impressed with what I saw.
At Durrie Vision, we strive to provide you with the most experienced vision care team and the most state-of-the-art technology to improve your eyesight and give you a better quality of life.
As technology in our field is developed, from just laser surgery to solutions to get people out of reading glasses to implants that can make people see permanently and avoid cataracts down the road, we've come up with a philosophy we call vision for a lifetime. And what we want to do when we see a patient in the office, the first thing we want to do is assess not only how healthy their eyes are today and what problems they may have, but we want to look into the future and see where their eyes are going 5, 10, 15, 20 years down the road. So we can make a plan for them, and then we see people over the years and make sure we have the best vision that they can possibly have for a lifetime.
I like the way that the doctors here aren't just interested in my vision at that moment I'm here. They're looking at it from now and into the future, and they were telling me what could be down the road for me later on as I age, my eyes age.
A lot of patients come to us thinking that they want LASIK surgery, and that may be a good option for many patients, but many patients, it's not going to be the best option for them. We're looking at not only what's going to be the best option for them today, but we're looking over the rest of their lifetime. What's most important for a patient when they're evaluating whether they want vision correction surgery, they really should be seen in a practice that provides a full range of options and not just one option such as LASIK surgery.
I was coming in for a consultation on the LASIK, and they said that I wasn't a candidate for that, and then they presented me with this other option of the lens implants, which sounded like a good option for me. It was more comforting to me.
Patients really like the fact that we've been involved in the research projects because we know what works and we know what doesn't work. When I see somebody in the street and they say, well, I'm thinking about having laser eye surgery, I always say, come in for the exam, because we're going to do the vision for a lifetime advanced ocular analysis procedure on you, and then we'll decide which technology you need in the long term. And patients, it makes them very comfortable, the fact that we've done the research here, we know the data, and we also know what's coming in the future.
Well, I don't think they had this procedure that I wasn't ready for, because Dan said I wasn't ready for it until I was 54. And he would continue to check my eyes every year or every 2 years. I would come in. The 1 year I came in, he said, okay, you're ready and we're ready for you. We have a new laser out that you'd be a perfect candidate for, and I think it's going to make your life a lot easier.
The doctors at Durrie Vision work with only the latest laser, surgical, and preoperative testing equipment so that patients with nearsightedness, farsightedness, astigmatism, and presbyopia can attain the best possible treatment. The doctors at Durrie Vision have helped thousands of people transform their lives with clear vision.
Everything is easier. Reading is easier. At my job, I could see so much further. I didn't have to get up from my desk to read information that I had posted around me. It's been dramatic. Driving is better. I'm seeing better than I did with my glasses. So everything is better. Everything is easier. Everything's more comfortable. I would do it again in a heartbeat. It's life-changing.
The transitional phase, pre-surgery and post-surgery, it's like having a brand new you.
I just had a great experience. I would definitely do it again.
Anybody who's thinking about having refractive surgery should make sure they're going to somebody that's using the most advanced equipment.
He's up on the latest technology, he has the latest equipment. He is very thorough when he meets with you, and his staff are also very thorough. It's not just, you know, you're in, you're out, you're done. They answer your questions, and they're very courteous, and they care about you and your questions. And for me, it was that whole package put together made the difference for me in my decision.
At Durrie Vision, we recognize the decision to have any type of vision correction procedure involves a lot of trust. You can trust Dr. Durrie and Dr. Stahl, vision care specialists who have spent their careers putting research into practice.
When you're going to entrust your eyes, you want to entrust that to someone who is the best.